Hi there, Melanie from WTI.
This solar-powered security camera system is what every household needs. It has so many cool things about it. It comes with everything you need, even your little screws, and the installation is super easy. It literally took us just a few minutes to have everything all up and running, ready to start recording, ready to start using. The 2K Full HD 360-degree pan and tilt control camera is amazing because it can be rotated horizontally even up to 355 degrees and then vertically up to 90 degrees. It has excellent nighttime vision. Whether you wanted to have it in black and white, it records the time, the date, everything right down to the second, which I absolutely love. Or you can even have it in color. You can maneuver the camera by using it this way. I also love the fact that you can choose to zoom in and zoom out just by using the app that comes with the system. All the activities can be monitored remotely via this cloudedge app. It is just so cool. You can check on things, you can zoom in, you can zoom out like I mentioned. And taking a look here on the screen, you can see all the different things that you can do with this app. You can take screenshots, you can record. It doesn't come with one, but you can even get an SD card. I also love how you can use it to talk to someone or to listen to what they have to say. Listen to this.
Somebody want to get the door? My hands are full.
Here, be right out.
I just love everything about this Rebluum solar security camera.
And that's my point of view.